Hey everyone, quick update for the week ending Friday, May 16th. Hope everybody had a good week. Quick look at the markets. SPX, of course, we had the big gap up over the weekend with the China tariff potential deal going on. And then it really just kind of pushed up the rest of the week. A couple other big data points, retail sales, CPI, PPI, some other employment data. And I mean, it was like any news was good news in this environment here. So just kind of a nice push up. SPX, what a rally! I mean, back up to 59.58 all-time highs, 61.47, not too far away. Pretty crazy. Nasdaq, pretty similar. Russell, not quite as extended to the upside on that push higher, but still higher for the week. And then same with the Dow, a little bit choppier in between. Gold hasn't been able to get back up to that all-time highs. In fact, it was down all week. Notes and bonds were kind of back and forth, and then 10-year yield the same way, settling in at 4.442. Oil back and forth, up early in the week, down later. I don't know why my toss is taking so long. Natty gas down on the week. I'll skip the grains. Euro and the pound, both pretty sideways. And Bitcoin up a little bit today and pretty sideways for the week, settling in at 104,255 on the futures. And the VIX, the VIX, back down in the 17 handle after being ticking in the 60s for a brief time just a few short weeks ago. All right, so let's jump into, I'll show you my trades for the week. Starting with my 0 and 1 DTE. So primarily price action iron condors. I did a little discretionary RIC. Had a little 1 DTE for plus 270, but otherwise price action iron condors. 8 winners, 2 losers. Plus 4,300 on those, plus 4,752 total for the week. My British Iron Condor is a little bit red, down 1,082. The last few days in a row have been red. Monday, I guess that was Tuesday, was green. Monday, I was having some TAT issues, so I didn't trade BICs on Monday. Wooga's nothing. Mahomes, just one little one today. Just a little 2-lot for something to do at the end of the day, plus 206. Calendars, just one 6-7 put calendar, plus 336. You know, I was talking during the Power Hour live stream today. You know, I stopped doing calendars just when all the volatility really kicked into high gear, and I haven't started back up yet. And to be honest, I am kind of enjoying not having any positions with overnight risk lately. I was joking. I'm just going to be a full-time day trader and that's it. But I am kind of not joking because it's been nice just not having any risk overnight and coming in with a clean slate the next day. Transformers, I transformed one of my 1 DTE iron condors. That was a plus 250. And then day trades, again, nice big week, 30,858. I had one day, which was Tuesday, which I booked a little over 21,000. Wednesday was kind of nothing. Thursday was about I think a $6,000 day, and then just a lot of singles and doubles, all added up to a little over 30,000. So total between all my trades, 35,320 on the week. So nice week, and just continuing to love this day trading. It's been good, and like I said, not having any risk overnight has been pretty refreshing because until this year with all the tariff stuff, I mean, I've had positions on overnight for years. Like I haven't had many times in the last 10 years that I haven't had risk overnight. So it's been really nice, and with the day trading, kind of with me being able to dial in the day trading like I have, I'm just going to continue doing what's working, and may sprinkle in some overnight stuff, calendars, iron ducks, whatever, as I see fit. But for now, I'm just going to keep doing this. So Hope everybody has a good weekend. Look forward to next week. There is literally almost zero news next week. Let's see. Next week. Monday, a few FOMC speakers. Tuesday, a couple FOMC speakers. Wednesday, nothing. Thursday, unemployment and flash manufacturing and services PMI right after the market opens. Friday, nothing. I mean, it is going to be of course, there's always the unknown. There's always the random tweets and press conferences and things like that. But as far as scheduled econ events, not a lot going on next week. So it should be interesting. All right, that's it for me. Take care. Have a good weekend. Talk to you soon.